Hey, students, quiz time. What kind of vertebra is that? Well, that'd be the thoracic vertebra. What kind of vertebra is this? Oh my goodness, that would be the lumbar. What kind of vertebra do we have right here? That would be cervical. What kind of vertebra do we have right here on this thing? That would be the sacrum. And then what about down here? That would be the coccyx. Okay, and now let's do some parts here. What is this right here called? See what I'm touching right here? That would be the superior articulating process. And what about this one right down here that I'm touching right here? See it? That would be the inferior articulating process. What would this be called? That would be the spinous process. And then we have this little piece right here, in between, right where my thumb is. See where I'm at? That's called the lamina. And this thing, see where I'm at? That'd be the transverse process. And then there's another little piece of vertebra right here. See right there where my finger is touching? That would be called the pedicle. This right here, this thing, body, whole, vertebral foramen. Hey. See that little bone right there? I don't know if you could get this thing, but it's right here. Get a good view of it. See that little bone right there I'm touching? What is that bone? See that? Got two little teeth on it. I'm touching. That's the hyoid. Talk to me about this thing right in the middle. What is this? Going all the way down. This would be the sternum. And this part of the sternum up on top would be called the manubrium. And this part that would be next that would be the body. And then we have this little part down here on the very bottom that often sticks out, very tiny piece, and that would be the xiphoid process. Take a look at these right here. What are these things called? Those would be the true ribs. And then once you get down a certain distance down here and you take a good look here, you can see how we come across with the costal cartilage, and then we reach a point down here where we have these ribs right here. These would be false ribs, as would be these two other ones that would be further back. See that? See how we have these two here, and then we have these coming up this way. All right, see that? So we call these ones what? They would be false and not floating. And then we have these other two right here, this one and this one, who would be, let's see if I can get a good look at it. There they are. Hold on, I wasn't far enough down. There we are. Now we got a good look. This one and this one, false and floating. Excellent.